One. So this is for freshers. 1 year of experience is required. Work card is in US, I guess. So just let me know in the comment box where is the work card. Accordingly, I can help you out. Electronics and CCNA is the domain which is required. BE in electronics and CCNA. Telecom is the domain where you need to work. Mail ID is babita.rana@microscan.co.in. Now let's check for the next one. It's a network engineer job where minimum 1 year of experience is required, which probably for the freshers, right? This is network engineer, and phone pay banner Pune is the client actually where they are serving. This is offsite work, the site work, and this is the requirement which is B or BTech. A skill set is mandatory. All these things is important. Prefer options and roles and responsibilities. Check out those things. By the way, this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume or something, whatever you want. So accordingly, you can get selected. Right. Now, let me move forward. Now, someone is looking for cybersecurity professional with minimum 2 years of experience. Okay, it's a Mumbai or Pune based job. Skill is web development testing, API security, mobile application security is important, network security, VAPT, configuration, audit manual, plus automation using Nessus Pro and Niper is important. ISEC 40 is company probably, which is the mail ID is nidhi.buxy@isec40.com. Next one, network administration. So minimum, again, freshers job. This is for you freshers. 0 to 4 years of experience required. BTech in computer science, IT, telecommunication important. Required skills, right? So there should be a strong understanding about computer networking. Okay. Cisco, Palo Alto devices is for sure. L2, L3, which is layer 2, layer 3 high technology is important. And Ansible Python is a plus point. CCNA, CCNP is important. F suffix I2C-inc.com is the mail ID, and network administrator is the role on which you need to work. Next one, someone is hiring as a assistant professor, which is in a institute. Okay, for the digital of Department of Digital Forensics and Cyber Forensics. So just look out. Freshers can apply to. There might be scams, so just authenticate this mail ID, right? So accordingly apply. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, no, that's not today. We have one more, which is in Aujaz. So they are looking for a couple of things. Okay, so this is the mail ID. Silpa .e@auzaz.com, and experience is 2 to 4 years of experience required. Location in Mumbai. And VAPT knowledge is important, right? Knowledge about secure coding and all is important. So just look for all the things. Next one is a Mumbai Pune based job, which is again in ISEC 40. I already told you the same, so just look out. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.